we, we now study of the message box function. How we type message box. Now this some time skipped writing. Okay, first type this small model. Okay, delete. Second type this one top is a stop. Now this very sleep this model. Delete. Okay, this now heading. Tight is a note. Checking. Okay, is a tight note. Now many function. You are trying to check in this function model. So many function. Rate button dialog. Many function. Relate. Okay. Many function note. Many function. You check in no problem. Many function I have there. So ticker model examination information many model I have this information. Okay. Okay. This model many type message. Now testing if condition. How to if condition? Let's check in if condition. If condition. If message box. If condition. You testing this no. Okay. If condition. Condition be this difference condition. What is condition? Condition may be button OK cancel button this information. OK cancel button. Okay. If condition OK cancel. If OK then this rate if a condition message deleted will be not the OK button click this caption OK check delete OK. Some okay this rate this code this condition will be OK then OK the cancel this delete OK this OK delete cancel this cancel. Understand this code is steady to look. Another checking if I don't review agree button. This agree button I have model button I have three of some. Agree button. Then BP now check in only. Test only. Okay, agree button. You check in that. Come on, will be agree best. Agree the beep. No. Okay. This is checking this. Please check this option. Skip the time is long. This is select case message was delayed. We about to return. I move three option. This setting three option. Three option is selected if this some problem is a case select case. If then if same the working the select case message was deleted. This the case I agree the option give. Please check. To many options you check in this model. Okay. Comment button. Okay. This I agree. Okay. Button. About. Okay. Rated. Okay. Now this the many this working this option is your ruling. You study this code. I will put a description this code. Please you like this study. You like my click my like button, click my subscribe button, and any comment. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.